and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we have here
Island Boy.
We have here Island Boy Spicy Lid.
Hi.
What you got on, Spicy Lid?
I got on natural nails.
So as you all know, Spice has a job and she can only get short nails. But it's Thanksgiving break season, so she can have extra long nails, and that's what we're doing.
Extra long, like out of the camera frame long.
Yeah, out of the camera, like you can't even see my fingers.
DIY nail design straight from the brain, off the dome.
Straight from the...
Off the dome.
So here's the nails design we're doing, and I drew it myself. Isn't it great? Okay, so here are her natural nails. They look pretty crazy.
What?
So we're gonna start off by pushing back the cuticles.
Hey guys, today we're going to be using the NotPolish nail tips, C-curve tips. You gotta get these tips. You know why? Because they're long and epic.
Now we're just gonna
size out the nails. First, starting with Mr. Thumb.
This one doesn't fit. Let's try that again. Okay, so I have the nail tip sized out. I'm just gonna wipe off all this dust so we can have a nice clean slate for gluing on these nail tips.
Now I'm going to be taking my KDS glue and I'm going to be smearing it on the nail. Oh.
Ooh, that was kind of a lot. It could work still.
And now I'm just going to take my sized out nail tip and then jam pack that on there. Pro tip, blow on it so it can dry faster.
Blow on it because you put too much glue. Oh my, nail tips glued on. Okay, once the nail tips are all glued on, I'm gonna be trimming them down the slightest sliver bit. I'm talking like... Next step, I'm just gonna reshape these just a little bit and also, like, you know, straighten out the tip of the nail. Okay, now I'm gonna take my sanding band and I'm gonna remove the shine from all the nails. All nice and done. Okay, next we're gonna be putting on some Dehydrator. Oh yeah, getting all the cracks. We want these nails to last. And then next we're gonna be adding on the primer. Okay, and now I'm gonna be adding on some base coat. This is going to be a long nail set with some different designs on a lot of the nails. Beware and be square and come along on this journey with us as we spend 8 hours on this set. So we're going to be using this foil first on the pointer finger. So I'm going to take this foil glue. I'm going to put this at the tip of the nail where the foil is going to stick to because this is going to be an ombre nail. So I'm only doing it at the tip of the nail. I'm going to cure this in the nail lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, I'm kind of nervy. Right, I'm just gonna... Oh no, is it stuck? Oh no, okay.
Did you put on a cute, like, side of it?
No, I didn't.
Does it even have L and V on it?
No! Take it off now. Alright, like it never happened. Attempt number 2, I have the foil here. And now I can't mess it up because it has to be this, you know? Okay, it's on. Okay,
really press it in there.
Okay, smushing it on now. I'm gonna be using this base coat to seal in the foil design. Okay, now we're gonna start on the ombre. So I'm gonna be taking the nude Polygel and I'm gonna put a bead of this at the cuticle area of the nail. And yeah, I'm just gonna smooth this out. I'm sad. Why did the tip turn out like this? I don't know. I'm gonna try and fix it. Just gonna have a brown bottom. Are you okay with that?
I'm more of a yeah, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm just gonna make a joke, but I don't think it was really a joke. It's just something stupid.
That is pretty perfect. You're gonna be blown away by me and my talented geniusness. I fixed all of the tiny little like clear holes because the foil didn't stick all the way. Flip it. By painting the back side. We're gonna have to encapsulate this nail, but we'll do that after. Okay, so onto this next nail. This nail is gonna be full nude, and I'm gonna be doing this in 2 beads because it just makes it a little bit easier with the long nails. So for this nail, I'm going to be adding on a layer of this pretty glitter gel polish. It doesn't have to be a perfect layer. It's just to get the glitter on there, really. Oh, yeah.
What was I telling you?
You were right. You were right. Okay, so after we have this really nice glitter on the polygel, I'm going to be taking these gold hearts and I'm going to be putting them around the nail. Okay, now I'm going to take some gold foil and I'm going to chop it up down here. And I'm just going to add this around the nail. Super cute.
Hi guys. I get to have my nails long because I'm going on vacation on a long road trip for about 9 to 10 hours. And I was just wondering if you guys have any like road trip tips, like how to stay sane while driving for 10 hours. I don't know, something like that. Or like tips on like some yummy snacks that can like keep me energized and awake, and you know, just tips, because I've never been on a road trip before, especially me, the only one driving. And if you know any like cool pit stops or like picture worthy stops in like Georgia and South Carolina, North Carolina, like some cool like places for pictures or just like memorable moments or something like that, if you can like leave some suggestions or just like places to see, because I have no idea what's in Georgia and what to see, and you know, the other states. So thanks.
Let's go Christmas caroling. You just show up and start singing.
He's like, ding dong, hi. I'm like, have you guys ever been Christmas caroling? And if you have, what's it about? What do you do? Do you knock on people's doors and just sing in their face? What? I don't know how it goes. Is Christmas caroling just in the movies, or is it real?
Is it real?
Oh, bring me a Vicky Poo.
Okay, so I'm just gonna continue this video with a voiceover. This always happens. I always get tired of talking during the video, and then I do the rest of the video in the voiceover. Anyway, this set was really challenging and it took a very long time. This set took exactly 7 hours and 30 minutes to complete. My older sister and we don't really care it takes that long. I mean, we're still, you know, tired about the end of the set, but it's not like we hate it here or anything. I mean, some points I did hate it here. Some of this nail set was kind of hard to do, and I'll let you know what was the hardest things to do. So once I'm done with like the base designs of the nails, I'm going back and encapsulating them. So like the ombre and like the gold charms and the flake nail, I have to encapsulate that. I mean, this nail set, like the base of it is pretty simple. Like most of the nails are just one solid color. So for the pinky nail, it's a solid nude nail. And then for the ring finger, I'm doing a French tip on this nail. So we're doing the nude part with the smile line. And I'm gonna make the tip of that nail just that nice gold polygel from the Makartt Snatch'd polygel kit. I really like how this set turned out. I think everything like worked really nicely together. Then on the middle finger, it's just a full brown nail. I'm kind of like speeding through the polygel application, or else like this video would be way too long. I had about 6 hours of footage. So yeah, this video could have been really long, but I really wanted to just speed it up because also I wanted to get this video out for you guys today because today is Black Friday and I had to let you guys know that, you know, today is the day to get all the Black Friday sales, but I'll talk more about that later on in the video. But besides the nail set, I just want to apologize for not posting that much this month. I have been finishing up school. I have a lot of like my big assignments done already, so like the last things I have to do are kind of just the final exams. I'm so excited to be done with this semester, but the only thing I just have a problem here, a dilemma. Next semester is my last semester of school. I'm a senior, so next semester I'm done with school. But the only thing is, I finished all my high school credits, but I'm doing dual enrollment, so I'm planning to graduate high school with my associate's degree. So I only need one more class for my associate's degree. One more class, but I have to take 4 classes. So I can't just like pick one class at my college. I have to take 4. The problem is I don't know what classes to take. Like my last class that I need is an elective. And they don't give you really any elective options. You basically just take any random class that you want, and that counts as an elective because you've done all like the core classes. So I don't know what classes to choose. You guys, I don't know if any of you remember, but I'm very traumatized by this experience. So like last school year, I had a really horrendous teacher and he was so bad. Like I am traumatized from that. I'm scarred. I'm afraid to pick teachers because I'm afraid to pick a bad teacher on accident. What I first wanted to do was choose teachers that I've taken before that I know are good. But all the teachers that I know are good that I've taken before, they only teach the classes I already took from them already. So now I have to pick new teachers and I'm afraid. And I'm just here having to pick 4 different classes that I don't even know what to do. So do you see my problem here? I have 4 classes and I have absolutely no idea what to do. And I don't want to pick just random classes and then they're hard because I don't want them to be hard. I want my last semester of school to be easygoing. That's my dilemma. Maybe if you guys have any like easy classes that you know of, college classes that are really easy, let me know. Anyway, I just had to talk about that. Back to the nail set. I don't even know where we are right now, but basically after we shaped and filed, I'm going in with the nail art. So the hardest nail I did from this nail set was the plaid nail. That one was the hardest nail ever. I just could not get the line straight. And I saw a comment from one of my other videos saying to use like a really long nail art brush and to use the gel, like the gel paint. So it's like the thicker consistency, but I could not find a really long nail brush. I also didn't know where my gel paints went either, so I was just using gel polish and my regular length nail art brush, and it was so hard to get these lines straight. So I ended up resorting to using some of this like nail art tape. I'm a fraud. I'm a cheat. And then I just filled in like the outline of it. I used that to make my lines. I mean, it worked pretty okay, so that's what we stuck to, or else we would have just been stuck on that nail for so long. I just kind of skipped over that part because it was the same thing over and over again, just making like the outline with the tape and then having to fill it in. So yeah, that's what I did for that plaid nail. Pretty hard. So for the next nail, I'm doing the like squiggle lines nail art, and I'm just using a dark brown, a light brown, and then a gold gel polish for the colors. And then on to the next tan. The next nail art we're doing is the sweater nail art design. I've been really wanting to do this design, so luckily I got to do it before the winter nail sets come in. I'm just using some brown gel polish to add on the nail art. And then I'm going to be using this clear, I only have dip powder, I don't have acrylic, so I'm using a dip powder, and I'm just kind of putting the dip powder on the gel polish to make it kind of like 3D. on the thumbnail, I'm just doing a designer nail foil. Oh, and also on the pinky nail, I didn't show this part because I was out of frame, but I did like the dots, like the gradient dot, like the dots go from bigger to smaller. That's what I did on the pinky nail. And after all the nail art is done, I'm just going to be adding on some top coat onto all these nails. And then I'm going to be finishing it off with some cuticle oil. And here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this nail set in the comments. I really like how they turned out. I'm going to be honest, after I finished this nail set, I was like, I didn't really like them, but I think I was just really tired. But after like seeing them right now, I think they're really, really cute, and they just look so, I don't know, it looks really nice, all the designs together. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I like this nail set. And I just wanted to remind you guys once again that Makartt is having a big Black Friday sale. So it ends today at midnight, November 26th. So make sure you guys get all the stuff that's on sale right now before the sale ends. This is the perfect time to get your Christmas gifts. Go check out the Makartt website for the Black Friday sale. But that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for listening to my little school rant. I don't know what to do for next semester for my classes, but yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye!